Hi friends, welcome on channel. Do you also type by looking at each word like this? It is very boring. If you want to type without looking at the keyboard, then follow these instructions. On the keyboard, we have these 3 rows. The middle one is called home row, the upper one is called upper row, and the lower one is called lower row. For typing, 8 fingers of both hands should be placed on the home row. After pressing any key, these fingers will move to home row. You will get the small bumps on F and J button. With the help of these bumps, you will be able to easily find home row. The most important thing is the position of the fingers. You have to place the index fingers of both hands on F and J. Similarly, middle fingers should be placed on D and K, ring fingers on S and L, and little fingers on A and semicolon. With the help of this image, you have to press the desired buttons with selected fingers. Now you have to open your favorite browser and type typing practice. Open first website. Read all these tips and click next. You have to read them carefully. All the principles of typing are written in them. Here you have to practice typing. Press the button you want with the same finger as shown in the image. You have to practice for half an hour daily. You will see the difference within a few days. This was today's video. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.